Guys, so I've never done a whole lot of decorating for Halloween, but I just had a couple cute ideas pop into my head. So this year, we're gonna make some stuff, starting with a witch. Come along and check out how I make it. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and a little bit of organization, but all on a budget. Don't forget, I try and link everything I use in the description box below. If I can't find what we used, I try and link something real similar. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Check out some of my previous videos and let me know what you think in the comments below. Otherwise, hit the bell to get notifications for every time I post, and let's get started! Alright guys, so I took a little piece of paper and I folded it into a cone and I just glued it onto the top of the little planter. And then I took the sequins, and it is from Dollar Tree, this little black sequins garland, ribbon, whatever you want to call it. And I just hot glued and wrapped around that top cone. Then I wanted to incorporate it a little bit on the bottom too. So there's that. Now what we're going to do is just Google witches' faces. I don't want anything too scary. I just want this to be a cute little witch for Halloween, decorating on a little shelf or something rather, not the main decoration. So I'm going to just go ahead and hop on Google, and we are going to find a cute witch's face. Barbie. I don't know what I want. I want something cute. I should have added clip art. This is kind of cool. I kind of like that. And that's really expected. Okay, it can't be something too... It has to be something a little bit easy. It can't be too difficult because I am going to be drawing it. I did more looking. I really liked how her eyes they're not filled in. So I think I want to do something like that. And I'm probably going to cut out a template to make it easier. And then I haven't decided about the rest. So we'll just play with it. So something like that, right? I think I like that eye. I think. Nah, let's go for it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about this just because I don't want to mess it up. But just keep in mind, if you do mess it up, then it's just paint. We can always fix it. I'm just kind of sketching around it. I'm not worrying about getting it perfect right now because we do have that glitter we're trying to draw over, which I didn't think about, but you know, I had to have some glitter. Okay, we'll worry about perfecting it later, but look at that. Right now it looks like an alien. I definitely think we should have made it bigger. Alright guys, so we finished up the face a little bit more. We winged out those eyes. I just thought it gave it a little bit better dimensions to the nose, as well as a little bit more pizzazz. And then what I did is I took an old kind of cardstocky type material and I traced around an old soda can and cut that out. So now I'm going to paint that black. Okay, that's going to dry and then it's going to need another coat. And guess what? That side will too. While that dries, we're going to go ahead and work on the witch's hair. And normally witches are portrayed with what? Purple and black hair? Well, I don't have purple or black yarn, but I have white. So, because I am too lazy to go out and get black, we're using white for the hair. I'm going to wrap it several times around my hand here, and I feel like that's going to give me similar lengths because then we can just cut it on both ends and have twice as much hair. Alright, I'm going to assume that's enough hair. Oh, left my scissors over there. So what I am going to do is I'm going to pinch it here, and I'm going to wiggle it off my fingers. This is just to hold it so I still have the loops on the ends. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to cut inside of the loops. Okay, they're not going to be completely even, they're not going to be all the same, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some hot glue around the lip of this jar, and then we're going to go ahead and be able to put those on there. You could also put it to the bottom of this, but I want to go ahead and paint a couple more coats on there, so I'm not planning on doing that. But if we need to add some, we can. I'm going to try try to put some hot glue like up here and then kind of have it swoop down and over. But we'll see how well it works. So to get the swoop, I'm kind of going to try and lay it at an angle. So once you get all of your hair on there, you can definitely go in and fill in where you think it's needed. I'm not going to bother with the back too much, but I do want the fronts to be fuller. Pretty easy next step, but what we're going to do is go ahead and put a layer of hot glue around here. I'm going to make it kind of heavy, and then we're going to go ahead and lay the hat on there. This would be kind of cool if you got a little bit bigger circle and made the brim so it kind of came up on one side and down on the other, but I'm not going to have a big enough one to be able to do that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do that same thing with the top of our hat. I'm just going to put some hot glue and put it on top. Now going on to the terracotta, it's going to cool your hot glue a lot faster than a lot of other objects you'd be going on to. Alright, now give that just a second to dry, and then we're going to go ahead and comb out the yarn a little bit just to give it a little bit of a frizz. You definitely don't have to do this part. If you like it just like this, you can definitely set it up and have it ready to display, but I'm going to go ahead and comb it out because I want the hair to be a little bit frizzy and all over the place. That's it for today's project. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.